Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the TFT display on the Wolf King GT. This tutorial also applies to the Wolf Warrior 2. For this repair, you will need a 2.5mm hex key, pliers or wire cutters, zip ties, and a new TFT display. We begin by unplugging these connectors in the back. First the display and then the attached control panel piece. Now turn the display upwards until you see these screws. Take your 2.5mm hex key and unscrew each of them. With the second screw out, the screen should be easy to remove. Now cut the zip tie holding the wire to the control piece. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew this piece. Once it's unscrewed, it is safe to remove. Now we'll take our new display and control panel and begin the process in reverse. Place the control panel on and begin screwing until it's firm. Now we can place on the TFT display. Ensure that there are nuts inside of the plastic, as these are known to sometimes fall out. Carefully place the display back onto the handlebar. You'll want to go ahead and screw in both sides. You want to do this until it's firm, but not too firm. And now you should be able to adjust the screen. Turn the screen right side up once more. You'll want to make sure that the wires are matching in order to connect them. Be sure to line up the holes for both the screen and the control panel wires. Now take your zip tie and zip tie these wires. And you'll want to make sure to cut off any excess wire. Turn on your display to check that everything is in working condition, and then you're set. If you want to learn more about the display, make sure to check out our blog and the video where we take a deep dive into the screen. Please let us know if you have any comments or ideas for any future tutorials, and once again, thank you for watching.